how to make thumbnail in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So creating a thumbnail in Canva is actually one of the most simplest things that you could do. You're just simply going to click over here at the top section and you can just simply search for YouTube thumbnails. Now these thumbnails are already the perfect size, the perfect pixels, and so on and so forth, and you can even take advantage of the amazing or a lot of templates that you could choose from over here. So depending on what niche you have, for example, your YouTube video is all about vlogs, you can simply look for vlog type of thumbnails just like these ones. As you can see, a lot of them are really great, and you could easily just simply click on customize this template so you could utilize them for your own. For example, you could also do niches like what we're doing right now, tutorial videos. So for those type of videos, something like this would be great, as you can see. So you could choose between the different options that are available over here. You could search specific niches if you prefer, like marketing, stuff like that. But let's say you have selected one of this template. So for example, this one, click on customize this template. To be able to customize the text of the image over here, simply double click on the text over here, and what you could do is just simply type what your text would be. So over here, let's say how to make your own thumbnail. For the size of the font, you could easily change it over here on the top section, as you can see, or you could just drag it just like that. There we go. And what I would recommend is you could adjust or change the image over here very easily. So for example, you could choose your own image, or you could even choose someone else's image. So let's say girl over here, graphics or image, and let's say let's use this image as an example over here. Let's look for something simple, something like this one. So simply click on background remover. You should then be able to remove the background over here, delete that one, click on the image, then click on edit, and then over here shadows, simply put in an outline, change it to white. There we go. And you should then be able to create the same effect as the image or the original image that we saw earlier. You could also observe the original design of the thumbnail that you have chosen. So this one has a comical style, so you could simply search for comic, and you could even see up or look up some comical effects over here. So for example, this white background, I could change that into something like this so that it fits the design or like the theme of the thumbnail. There we go. I can make this to the back and adjust it. As you can see, you could adjust it. There we go. Then you could even add some other elements as well, something like this. You could add your own, or you could add more noise effect to it if you prefer, and so on and so forth. So you can take advantage of the available elements specifically with the theme that your thumbnail is going with, as you can see. So choose the appropriate thumbnail depending on your niche, and you should then be able to create a very simple and very great thumbnail effects over here, as you can see. So there are some arrows here, we could remove that, as you can see. And there we go. So we adjusted the thumbnail or the design over here a bit. We didn't really follow the entire thing, like we didn't copy this exactly, but we added some bits and parts over here, change it a bit so that it is a bit more novel, or like have our own effect or style on it as well. So that's basically how you will be able to do it. So now simply click on share, click on download, and you should then be able to download your thumbnail. So if you want to be able to do this, simply click the link in the description below so that you could have a free 30-day free trial for your Canva Pro.